Wataru Ogihara. What is your view of the Japanese economy and the Japanese stock market?
Okay, if I talk about Japanese stock market, I think Japanese stock market is now providing the very opportunistic investment opportunity from the recovery from the disaster last year and also recovery from the supply chain disruption in Thailand. All combined, the corporate earnings is now very resilient, very strong. That's why I'm thinking that the Japanese market is providing the investment opportunity in the upside.
How is the strong yen affecting Japanese companies? It must be hurting their exporters.
Yes, stronger Japanese yen is both negative for the Japanese export-oriented company. But if I talk about the impact on the corporate earnings in the Japanese market, perhaps the 10% yen appreciation just hurts the corporate earnings just 5%. So just stronger Japanese yen is not necessarily negative for the investor with a base currency like US dollar.
All right. Now, what's your view of China and how are you playing it?
I think the China economy is now approaching to the bottom and to recover sometimes in the next 3 to 6 months horizon. That's a view in China. We think that the China economy is soft landing. And also one of the ways to play China is to have the overweight position in a resource or basic material company, perhaps in Australia or Indonesia.
Do you have any favorite markets? Not China, ex-Japan. What else do you like in Asia?
Our favorite place at this moment is the Southeast Asian region, smaller country like Thailand and the Philippines. Especially in the Philippines, which is a very small market in the Asian region, but we expect the country credit rating to be upgraded from the BB to BBB, perhaps sometimes in the next 12 to 18 months. That's why that may have big impact on the equity market in the Philippines. That's the experience that we had in Indonesia last year. That's why we like Philippines or other Asian small market.
Finally, how important is the strength of the American economy to Asia's economies? Because we keep hearing that we need a strong Asian consumer. How linked is it still to America?
I think that the Asian consumer space is now very secular growth trend, which is very independent from the American economy. Despite a weak American economy, perhaps the Asian economy will continue to grow.
This market is
Stock tickers market.
Stocks have rallied this year.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going to